Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Guess what? Today's July 5th, 2021. And we're here to talk about Nikola. We're here to give you all, like we always do, a price prediction in the market for this particular stock. We got some things to talk about, right? It's been a while. Matter of fact, it was May 28th since we did our last price prediction in Nikola. You guys can see I'm not hiding anything from you. Those who are participating in our team, who's a part of our community. This is what we talked about on May 28th. We expected the price in Nikola to go higher, and that is precisely what it did. So now, where are we going to go now? We're going to talk about that today. And if you want to join our team, like I'm saying, this is the first time you've seen our video, and you want to join us, hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel, because we're not going to confuse you. We're not about the hype. We're not about the FUD, and we're not going to give you every video talking about everything to buy. Right? Every video you'll see, most people are talking about stocks always going higher, and they don't give you videos to tell you that price is going to go lower. Well, we will. So if you don't want the truth, I'm gonna be real. We're not for you. You need to go somewhere else with your hopium, with the ideas that everything always go up, because we do predictions to where price will go down. And if you're emotional and you want everything to always go up, then yeah, you're not going to like our videos. You're not going to like our channel, because we play the downside as well too. All right. So now let's talk about Nikola real quick. And you guys can tell we played the strength into the market in Nikola. Not a surprise. $18 is where we had our ultimate TP price. And you can see that's about 16% profitability. We wasn't too far, right? I want you all to see this. We wasn't too far from where the actual ultimate restriction price was, which is around 19, right? We had 18. The price found restriction though around $19. Not too bad. 22 and a quarter at the high. Why we got 16. See, this is how you're able to get in position and win, because since that particular moment, the price in Nikola has been going down. This is why you need to always have an exit place, an exit position in your stock positions, right? You need to, because you might see some people out there saying, yeah, I'm looking for the market in Nikola to hit 22. Well, we couldn't even break past 20. And now you're seeing your profits dwindle because the price is coming back down in Nikola. So how long would you be waiting for the price in Nikola to hit 22, right? See, that's how you're able to get in, get out, take the profit, and move on to the next play. So let's take that away. So now, first things first. We got two areas that I wanted to show you. First is that we still need to see the price in Nikola hold around this $16 area. That's monumental. That's first. Second, the price in Nikola needs to continue to hold this trend. Okay, you see that? We need to continue to see this price in Nikola hold that trend. Now, let me take this line away. This is where my focus is right here. I need to see strength coming to the market in Nikola, preferably right there around $16. Okay, that's everyone in our team, in our community. Pay attention to that ascending line. Okay, now let me show you what we look like on a 2-day time frame in Nikola, because again, I'm gonna tell you, this gives me concern. You know, if you're looking for the price in Nikola to go higher, how we ended the last 2-day price bar is concerning. 3-day time frame, same thing here on the 3-day. It's all concerning that we can still see this price in Nikola go lower. So the dynamics in the price of Nikola has changed. This is why we come in periodically and show you all these predictions, because the market is never ever the same. It changes. This is the 5-day. And it's as clean as day on the 5-day that this area right here has been plaguing the price. So when you see these types of things occur, that's a dead giveaway that you need to go the opposite direction. The price in Nikola could not even break above $19 on the last 5-day price bars. That's 25 days worth of trading. This market could not break up above $19. Understand, when people put in positions, they actually use real money. And when they're trying to see this price go higher and it doesn't, it's about time you take the opposite end of the trade, i.e. expect the price to go lower. How do we end out on the week? Take a look at that. Everything on this chart, everything that we see on these varying time frames is giving us nothing but weakness. You have to learn how to read the markets. He is telling us precisely what he wants to do. It is only us who gets in the way, who wants the price to go higher. We could want all we want, but it's not going to change the price. It is not going to change price direction. And once you become more understanding that you have no control over price and where it's going to go, you just simply need to get in place and win, you become more better. You become a lot calmer. You won't be emotional when you see the anticipation of lower prices, right? So the weekly time frame looks weak too. 2 weeks time frame looks pretty bad too in terms of what we've been getting over the last 3 2-week price bars. I mean, we've seen nothing but stockpile or selling come into the market in Nikola. So I think you guys got the gist as to what we're going to play on this video, right? We're going to continue to play the weakness. Now, it will be a different story if we was able to have this trap. Oops, excuse me. I'll get rid of that. If we was able to have the trap break this area right here, $20 to the upside, it'll be a totally different story. But the market is telling that it's not ready yet. Okay, so we're not ready to see that happen. So let's play the weakness then. Let me get rid of this. And I'm changing it back over to the daily. We expect the price in Nikola to go lower. Okay, now first area that I can see the trap trying to come in and prop up this price is not that far, right? $16. That's what I told you earlier. That is where support can be maintained in Nikola. So obviously you need to come in and grab that 2.92% out the market, because there is still the chance that the trap would come in and hold a price around 16. Now, looking at the longer time frame, I'm not really expecting that. Okay, so let me bring this down a little bit further. Back down here towards 15 will be my next area. Okay, to come and see this market in Nikola come and hold support around 15. I'm going to bring it all the way down here to 14. So we got 3 areas: 16, 15, $14. Okay, but we are under the premise that the trend is about to be broken in Nikola. You guys can tell we was in a pretty good trend in the beginning of May, right? The market was going higher. We need to see the test come through, which is probable. You know, take a look at this. I don't think you guys saw this one. So let me show you this. Look at this. Okay, so look at this. May 21st, we got the same type of bar we got on July 2nd. And the market just traded sideways, which supported that trend. If we get the same thing this week, then understand that the strength is still in play in Nikola. This prediction will not be right. This is how you're able to read and be prepared for whatever the market tries to throw at you. But for the time being, we're going to play this weakness, because from the 5-day, weekly, the market definitely is showing us that it's having issues in Nikola right now. So now it's your turn. I want you all to tell me, what do you all see into the market in Nikola? Leave your price prediction in the comment section of this video so that you can learn, so that you can get a better understanding and has to do this for yourself. Okay, make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.